Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Curry Udon. Curry Udon is udon noodles served in curry flavored broth. It's a very popular menu at soba noodle restaurant, but you can easily make it at home. Let me show you how. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 udon noodles. I'm using this frozen one today, but you can of course use dried one as well. Japanese leek, thinly sliced pork, it's about 200 grams. 4 curry cubes, Japanese curry cubes. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon instant dashi soup stock, 2 tablespoons potato starch, which you can use cornstarch instead. I'm going to cut the leek first. And I want to use this green part to garnish, so let's slice it this way. And keep it in a bowl. I'm going to slice the rest diagonal like this. Put it aside. Let's cut some pork into bite size. Just like this. Today I'm using this frozen udon noodles and I'm going to cook it using microwave, so let's wet them first. Cover it with plastic film and microwave until it's cooked. If you're using dried udon noodles, just follow the instruction on the package to cook it. I'm heating up the wok over medium heat. Let's saute pork and leek. Pork first until it's brown. Then the leek. The leek is wilted, so I added 1200 milliliter water. Let's add 1 tablespoon instant dashi, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and bring it to boil. And if you see any scum coming up, let's remove it. After you remove the scum, turn the heat off and let's add curry cubes. Mix to dissolve curry cubes. Curry cube is completely dissolved, so I'm adding potato starch. I added 2 tablespoons of water into 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Mix it well and pour it in here. Mix it and turn the heat back on and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling, so let's add udon noodles. When it comes to boil again, it's good to go. Let's serve it in a bowl. Some green part of the leeks that I saved earlier on top. And curry udon is ready to eat. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. See ya!